Today I will show in the video how to create a customer ledger. Before that, I will create a customer. Type commercial. The customer's name is Samuel. Present address, New York. Status, active. We can see that the customer has been created. Now I will create an agreement for the customer. In the agreement, I have entered the date. Selected the customer. Added the item name. Set the quantity to 1. And the rate to 500. I entered the agreement date as 1st August. The agreement is completed. Now I will generate the bill from August to the current month. The bills have been generated. Now I will approve them. Now I will make payments for several months. Now I will go to the ledger. First, I will create a region. In the region, I will add P24_from. Its type will be date, and I will use the format. In the same way, I will add P24_to. Its type will be date, and I will use the format. After that, I will add P24_customer, and I will assign an LUF to it. Then I will create a region and name it Customer Ledger. Its type will be Classic Report. Now here I will write the code for my main ledger. I am starting the ledger query with A with clause to calculate the opening balance before the selected P20_from date. This part calculates the opening balance. It sums all bills before the selected P20_from date and subtracts any payments before that date. This part calculates all payments before the selected P20 from date. These payments will be subtracted from the opening balance. It also generates the narration by adding the default text with the remarks. This part fetches all payments within the selected date range. It also builds the narration by combining the default text with the payment remarks. Here I am combining both bills and payments using Union All to form the raw ledger data. This final part displays the ledger. It shows customer info, opening balance, and calculates the running balance using a window function. At the end, the results are filtered by customer and sorted by date and reference number. Now I will create a button. I made a mistake. My page number is 24, but in the code I used 20. So now I will correct it. Now I will input data into the form fields and select the customer. We can see the output now. The columns are appearing out of order, so I will fix that. Here we can see the customer ledger output. Bills and payments are listed by date, and the running balance is calculated correctly for each transaction. Since I selected 1st August as the start date, there are no earlier transactions. That's why the opening balance is showing as 0. If I choose a date range where the previous month has data, then the opening balance will appear. Here I selected the date range from 1st October to 16th November. Since there were previous transactions before October, the system calculated those and showed an opening balance of 250. Then the bills inside the selected range were added on top of that, giving the updated running balance.